Indonesia, a monumental event took place at the Thousand Hill Stadiums in Blangerjaren, Aceh, the 10,001 Mass Saman Dance Festival. Over 12,000 talented male dancers from Gayo Lues Regency gathered to showcase the mesmerizing Saman dance, a tradition that dates back generations and is recognized in the Asia Book of Records. Thousands of men together, swaying in perfect harmony, their movements gradually accelerating in sync with the music, was a visual masterpiece. The event was organized in the honor of Syed Saman, who brought pride to Indonesia through his work. The Saman dance demands intense physical endurance, precision, and a deep understanding of the music. It is more than just a dance, it's a symbol of dedication, discipline, and cultural pride. Saman dance was recognized by UNESCO as a masterpiece of oral and intangible heritage of humanity in 2011, solidifying its significance on the world stage.